Hello, it's another bundle weekend at Tonic Studios, and we've got lots of wonderful bundles for you starting this Friday at 4 p.m. and closing at Monday at 4 p.m. So let's find out what bundles we have on offer. The Glitter and Tool Pack includes a Nouveau Surface Sweep, a 4-pack of Golden Years Glitter, a 4-pack of Golden Years Confetti, and a 4-pack of Golden Years Sequins. And that will be available for £25.17, down from the usual RRP of £35.96. Our Nouveau Rainbow Crystal Drop Pack contains Red Berry, Ripened Pumpkin, English Mustard, Soft Mint, Carmine Aqua, Double Denim, Crushed Grape and Bubblegum Blush. That's available for £15.40, down from the usual price of £22. We have a Tonic Mega Glue Pack available this weekend, including a Tacky Glue 120ml, a Funky Glue 60ml, a Funky Glue Pen 29.5ml, a Funky Glue Stick 8 grams, and a Funky Glue Stick 21 grams. That's available for the low price of £5.24, discounted from £7.49. We have a Tim Holtz Media Pack containing a media tool set, a Tim Holtz craft pick, a sticky mat, and thread cutter. And that's available for the price of £24.82, down from the usual RRP of £35.46. We have a Craft Perfect Woodland Walk Pack available for you, and that includes a 6x6 paper pad, Woodland Walk, Classic Card, Grass Green, Speciality Paper Yellow Bamboo, Mirror Card Flourishing Green, and Mirror Card Rustic Dusk. And that's available for the price of £12.24, down from the usual price of £17.48. We have a Craft Perfect Dreaming Colour Pack available for you, containing a 6x6 paper pad in Dreaming Colour, a Classic Card Apricot Orange, Glitter Card Berry Fizz, Speciality Paper Caribbean Tide, and Mirror Card Gloss Hollow Waves. And that's available for the price of £15.03, down from the usual price of £21.47. So there we have it, those are the bundles for this weekend. They're only available until Monday at 4 p.m, so get them while you can and enjoy.